okokuqala, you need to understand ukuthi kufanele wena uzikhokhele uyi-one. And ekuzikhokheleni kwakho, the other two are important things. Number one, accept ukuthi everything you know up to now is going to be useless tomorrow. Which means, number three, kumele uhlale ufunda. Yonke into iyafundwa. Finance iyafundwa, emotional intelligence iyafundwa, skills ziyafundwa.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini
Hello, Salvonani, and welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Dep3 Events, like I always say, for all your event solutions, whether you're doing a birthday party, a wedding, a lobola, whatever event that you are holding, we've got you covered. We've got smoke machines, we've got stage hire, we've got sound system, we've got cinematography and photography. And for photography, whether it's indoor or outdoor, that's not our choice. That's your choice. We've got you covered. For whatever that you need, make sure that you visit Dep3 Events for all your event solutions. We've got you covered. And I'm back again, Lama Jens, Locheri, a high popular pub and grill, and namhlanje liyakwazi nxa sebhawa vele zabe sivuleka. So we started drinking it around 8 so that we are able to vuleka very well. So we are back again, episode 2 of Vuleka. Siyabonga bakithi ababekhomenta, abanye bechinga, abanye besitatus, abanye bebonga, abanye besithi kuhle, abanye befona besithi lathi siyafuna ukubuya ku-podcast. Yaswi umthova vela udulo ukubuye high popular pub and grill. So mawusuke town, Kami Road, ufika uthi ngicela usale Thorncroft 10, uzabona inkalakathi yebhana elibhalwe high popular pub and grill. Then ubusukona ubususiyakhwampana konke kukhona, iskafu sikhona, amabhiya akhona, amanzi nxa umazibaba akhona, i-Coca-Cola ikhona, hayi awumama uyakwazi ukubuya lo wakho ngempela sikusize umuntu umama now uyazikhetela, but whatever that you need. And also just to expand on our podcast, every Friday we've got free inhloko, a high popular pub and grill. So nxa ufuna inhloko uyabuya uzokudla inhloko mahara. The only thing is siyabe sixoxa, and nxa sixoxa ngonkosikazi wakho, then ubusudaba sibe sesixoxa futhi ubusuzonda, but whatever the case siyabe sixoxa. That's the bottom line. And we are back again. Namhlamvu introduce umuntu. Abantu bathi hey mina ngila award wenza izinde award. Okay, so I will allow ama-guest ami ukuthi azi-introduce. Bengaqeda bese ngitshela ama-gossip ngabo bonke. Reason why ngithanda ama-gossip, we've got i-roast of Ukhaya Pardon coming very soon on the 20th of March. Sabe sile roast khona eyayi popular, and mina unfortunately nyabe ngiwu-roast master, and mina nyabe ngi-roaster from ordinary to VVIP. Feel free to come to the roast. I'll tell you more as the program goes on. Ngiyabona songansuku intense ngiyakhatha so ngikazokhuluma nge-roast. Yabo mina nihlakaniphile, so sure. So from my right to my left, mina igama ngishina Leslie, indoda eyi-1 elonkosikazi oyi-1 lo mntwana oyi-1 empilweni. So hayi impilo yami ngama-1-1 ngiyafika ku-2 la wenza kunika share karezi nisasele 1-1. And from my right, yebo Jack.
Mina lami bizo nguLeroy Mthulisi Ndlovu, ngiyabhala, ngiya-actor, ngiyalungisa ama-computer, ngiyakhuluma.
Awuhlabeli.
Hayi. Voice yami ayivumi ukuhlabela.
Ayicela vela utobhala ingoma.
Hayi, eyami voice isebenza ukuthi ngibe ngithi sabona mama.
Oh, hayi. Uthini umama nxa usithi sabona mama?
Yebo baba.
Sanibonani baba.
Nakadini.
Yeah.
Hayi mina nginguNkosi Nomusa Mubayiwa. Ngu-Achira. Waya vanonetsa. Zvanzi tonetsa kutonga varume aivatauya kuzovatonga kupodcast yawo. Hayi mina I wear a lot of hats. But ngusisi omuhle nje. Ozalwa koBulawayo, othanda abantu, ozithobileyo. And hayi mina ngo-8 o'clock bendilokhe ngiseBhayibhelini anzange ngifike mina ngisithathela bottle water. Yeah.
And okay, that's a topic for another day.
Yeah. Hayi anxa engasuka komofa so wangithi.
Mr. Kai.
Yeah, mina ibizo lami nguKhaya Elihle Pardon Zamcolo weZulu Kanye, the leader of the honest and the speaker of the truth. I am a rule breaker. I just enjoy starting trouble. Yeah, I enjoy getting into trouble. Trouble.
Iran.
Yeah, we are the people of it, and I'm scared of women, bold women. Yo, scared of bold.
And like I always say, kuvuleka bafethu. Siyavuleka. But asivuleka kakhulu. If you watched your episode 1, savuleka, sazagcina sinanzelela ukuthi some of us smoke weed. And so on and so on. So I don't know what's going to happen namhlanje. Mina nilamanzi amanengi. I'll just drink water and cover my nerves down. But after episode 1, episode 1 sathi siqeda about Roy. Wena lo pro lase liqasa mawujisela manje. Ngase ngithi no episode 2 abantu laba bahlanganisela because we're going to run for 3 hours. Ngahle ngathi right when I'm shuffling my team ngavele mbone lapho kuthiwa pro akusela Leroy.
Okay.
Ngabona lapho kuthiwa Leroy akusela pro. Ngomenya in trouble. But well, today I remember episode 1, we did mainly introductions and introducing different men in different societies, introducing different, especially parental strugglers. And sasilo mfana lo efuzi bulala wamele listimela nya yazi Zimbabwe la so karezi ngabe kulezi timela ngabu Frank ka parabula zitimela slow Frank. But well, we introduced all those issues, our suicide and what all that. And mina i-question engahamba ngilayo, you know, skula thina kuhlala kulento leyo ukuthi yonke into soyenzayo so bezokuthiwa hayi man oba indoda man. And whatever the condition ungahamba ukuthi indoda kayinethwa lizulu oba indoda. And then nxa sokuthiwa sokusenza so oba indoda. And uchayiwe esikolo oba indoda. Kari umuntu nxa kuthiwa oba indoda kuthiwa benjani? Indoda ngenjani vele? What's the definition of that man okuthiwa oba indoda?
Hey, yabona umbuzo wakho ngendlela engikuphendula ngayo kungangihlupha. I think being a man is a simple thing. First of all, siqalisa ku-physiology yakho. Ngiyakwazi bakhona abazangiphikisa. But first of all nje, uba indoda is just being a male human being. But mase sikukhangela socially, for me, I think being a man is about leadership. You can lead yourself and you can lead other people. Andrew. So into esuke isihluphe ukuthi ku-leadership khonapho kusala kusuka kube lama definitions amanengi afunwa ngabantu abachiyeneyo. But mina I'm one believer ukuthi nxa siza ukuthi uyindoda, it means you can be yourself and awudinga omunye umuntu ukuthi azazokutshela ukuthi indoda eyenza so la lokhu. Those things are natural for you and they are not forced. And That means wena uzimele uyi-one, i-life yakho uyibambe in order, and anybody who comes into i-life yakho laye falls into that order. Whether ngumfazi, kumbe ngabantwana, kumbe ngabangane. That's what it is to me. But ngiyakwazi kulama definitions amaningi abantu abachiyene. Ikho ngikuqualify ngokuthi mina ngombono wami izinto zenilezi esengiziqambe.
So lapha nomncane lapha nokuthiwa Leroy waba indoda. You feel like they were pointing exactly to this.
No, they were pointing to a moving target. Because abantu abaningi abakhule under that, ungambuza ukuthi alright, define it kakwazi. You just have a list of things ongamelanga uzenze. And omunye umuntu wathi basically the social definition yokuba indoda is don't be a woman.
Okay.
Yeah, I hear you.
Because izinto eziningi ungakhala uba indoda, ungachaywa uba indoda, ungagula uba indoda. And I'm like, okay, but what do you mean exactly? I think that's
Kali, indoda testa magetsi ngomlomo, indoda iwachi paint, indoda ixuphi.
So anjani sokwalahleka into eziningi khona la. Because I think singakhanyela
When you're saying to someone, oba indoda as a female, what are you saying?
Anselankani ukuthi amadoda axubhi awathi maphende. That's not true. I think as human beings, we possess masculine and feminine energies, right? So if you're a man, your masculine energy should be dominant. And if you're a woman, your feminine energy should be dominant, right? But tina omama, sesibe ngabobaba, confirm? Sesingabobaba, yithi sibilo baba babamba imizi phandle la. Ngoba ubaba engihlezi laye la use operator on his feminine energy predominantly. I don't know why. So allow me to define what a man is, what I think a man is, or what I think umuntu or masculine is, right? A man, physiology tick, should provide. Ngathi provide sesithi yes ngama-gold dig imali, provide leadership, provide shelter. Ubaba vele uya provide. I mean ubaba mi wathi khona umkhwenyana ezovela uzambuza ukuthi umntanami umusa nga. Because mina angaze ngitshintshe i-address. Asoze ngitshintshise i-address nguwe songithintisa songirentisa lapha la. Right? So a man provides. A man protects. eZimbabwe lapha yi-main key gate. Umuntu engachaya igate keke ubusuku ubaba uyabehlezi. Either unconscious, ngotshwala, or usefonini, but umama nguye oseprotecta key gate, ubaba uhlezi lapha. But guess what? Isirayeli ngangena mina ngicatsha ngemva kwakho ubaba ngoba ungubaba. Lastly, a man loves. IBhayibheli liyatsho mina nginto ngumama wechurch. IBhayibheli lithi a man loves, I respect. And thina vele siyadelela liyasitsho. Basideliswa ukuthi alisithandi. So ubaba kumele athande. Le Bible lathi ubaba athande ngoba kunzima ukuthanda njengobaba. So that's how I define a man. And that's what us women expect from the men in the 21st century. But abakho baba abaprovidayo, abakho baba abaprotectayo, abakho baba abathandayo. That's why I'm 37 and single.
37 and single.
Yes, single, no children. Angifuni ukuba lo mntwana lo baba ongekho.
Right, like I always say, we've got a lot of vacancies, so a vacancy just opened. An emerging company.
It's a lot to unpack.
Yeah.
Especially the issue ukuthi obaba avoid provide that. They are not there. We are there. We are there. You are just looking in the wrong place. Because
My apologies.
we are few foot. Right? Nguzulu khuluma ngotshwala lapha. Utshwala bula problem. Give over. Because the same thing is happening in the same society where we are having a whole lot of drunkard wives and women in the streets. If you go to a club today, it's a Friday, the number of women at the club will be higher than the number of men.
Stress.
The cliques of women manengi than ama cliques amadoda. Even when you go to ama gigs, the people who buy tickets more are women. Even when you go on social media, you find the people abayenza ama content and all that more are women. Why is that so? It is because our women now do not know the definition of being a woman. They want to be men. So what do? We get to be women because they want us to. They anticipate ama rose. You spoke about locking the gate.
Women's Association. It's not like we want to be men, but you have forced us to be men
No,
by neglecting your duties.
you spoke about locking the gate,
Yeah.
right? Wena if ungazizwa uqinile kangawo ukuthi wena ufuna ukuyakha igate, I will not stop you. And fana la kaThesa ukuthi kulabafazi abathi khona thina siyazidingela, like abafazi abangenandaba lokuthi umuntu uthi yena kuthiwa independent women, imbokodo. And these mbokodos, it's just that they don't want to be submissive.
Noted.
Vele mina, I think all that independence thing and what all that, I think that's an anti-submission call for me. Because ungakhangela, like you were saying, ukuthi khathesi akusela abobaba that can provide. I can tell you when all this started.
All right.
It started the moment we started introducing advocacy for 50-50 and all that. And so if mina lawo we have agreed that you can equally do what I can do, and then why should I struggle to go an extra mile in doing what I'm supposed to do when you can do it?
Can I be the devil's advocate?
Yeah, please.
Please.
So, I think kulento esikhuthayo, and I always have to call us back to this ngoba a lot of the times this conversation gets lost.
Yeah.
I'm speaking from an African perspective. As an African, ngiyakwazi mina ukuthi kudala edrobheni kwakungahlali umuntu ongumama ongumuntu omnyama unless nxa wayesebenza ema-kitchen, of which wayehlala ema-kitchen, which means nxa ubaba wayesebenza e-town wayehlala emakhokhoba, these little houses that are just built for umuntu ohlala A1.
Yeah, true.
Meaning ungaze uthathe imuli yakho ingaphi ingale ekhaya. So let's look at Zimbabwe yacolonized like towards the end of 1800s.
Yes, some of them.
So for the better part of 100 years, the culture was umuntu ohlala ekhaya ngumama labantwana, and then a town ubaba uyephi. So we have to accept the fact yokuthi kulezinto ezalahlekayo eziningi because of that. And number one, when you can be the best man okhona phandle, you provide, you protect, you do whatever, but awukho. Ngale iboys yakho yakhula ayila muntu omtshengisayo, and some of our fathers are those boys. So uyabengela i-template yokuthi akutshele ukuthi hayi Leslie mfanami indoda yenza so. The leadership that I was talking about, you grow up without it, but then you come into a society expect to lead.
Ngicela ukungezelela lapha bhuti wami. Have you ever seen ukuthi ama-toilet awobaba anuka njani? Ngoba lichemela phansi, right? But the reason why lichemela phansi is lifundiswa ngabomama how to use the bathroom. Ubaba kakho, ubaba wayesewenela eseGoli. Ubaba wayelapha ugogo esekhaya. Umama then brought up the boy child like a girl because that's all she knew, right? So now Tina go mawfuli yasihleka, but the reason why we're so strong as women is sizala labo boy. Boy bathu baningi kakhulu. Tina kumele sime, otherwise isizwe siyachabalala. I like that you then bring it back. Let's go back and see where we lost it. And umntwana ongumfana uyakopa. Lathi amankazana siyakopa, but nasirayisa sikopa umama lapha. Sibona umama ubaba even ese luveve, wayesele girlfriend anti akhohlwe ngale. But umama wayesiba yimbokodo ekwasabaza imbokodo. Boy child thought that was normal. Guess what? Even mina lawe sohola 100,000 rands. Ufuna mina ngidonse ngedwa ngoba ngakibo logogo kutonkubani omama. So thank you for enlightening us to see ukuthi there's a problem that we've normalized, and the challenge with us is we normalize abnormal things, Bodwam. So now as men and a woman, let's normalize. Let's define what a man was supposed to be and work towards that.
I think we are generalizing.
Okay, my point.
There's a status you put today of men behlabela in one place and all of that. Those men, like, I love Amazulu because those guys have kept it intact from colonization to independence up to today. Only a few of them are doing Kona Loko. What am I saying? We have men abakhuliswa ngomama, yes, but sikhuliswa ngomama sisekhaya kulezinto ezazifundiswa obaba zifundiswa ngokhulu asebe-retire etrobheni and ababefundisa abafana. Now these are the things that we're no longer doing because you train from that side ekhaya uthi hayi siyaqwaqwazana siyafundisana ABCD and then when you come this side kulabo baba begqoka amathayi red what on a Sunday kule zinkundla. I love the name of the whole podcast enkundleni because kudala emakhumalo esikhuluma ngayo lapha eBear Garden abadala would find kunamaqembu amaningi abo baba abahleziyo, and those guys were not only there ukuyacha imali ze-club imali ze-burial, but kulento eziningi ababezifundisana, kulento eziningi ezaziyenza ubudoda babo buye phambili. Right now Tina on Sunday we would rather compete on who's buying the most expensive alcohol. We're finding pleasure in Western culture more than the culture that we were supposed to follow. Understand? Like kathesu singakhuluma ngeburial siyahlekana. But those things, they kept our parents' marriages intact. Because ekhaya ngale uyabufundile ukufunda, right? And then when you come to work at town, lingamadoda ntamama lichayisa labahamba amabhasikiti lifike lapha emadlodlo lihlale linathele esikaleni esisodwa lixoxe lincedisane, right? Even if usiya ekhaya umfazi wakho le 1 month ungambonanga, there is a certain way you behave to your wife because of how you are molding each other as men. But now it is different because Tina, we are so taken away by the Western culture. We are finding comfort in the Western things more than the things futhi ngabe siyazenza khathesi.
But I want to suphenduke endaweni esasikhuluma eyokuthi also let's look at the interaction yabo baba bona laba and their male children. All these things Choyan, they're great, they are wonderful, but where were the kids? Mina, as one of those kids, I will give you a very simple example. Mina Nkula, if anything needed to be fixed around the house, and mdala wa elungisa. And the elungisa khonapho lathi siyabasikhona. All the boys, even my brother, sasihleka the other time because there was something that was broken lapha engangihlala khona. And mina, I don't spend a lot of time handling. So I was in and out for weeks. Eventually, I was at home on a Saturday. ngaphuma i-shifting spanner kumakhelwane ngavula laphana ngalungisa ngabisela. Then I was laughing with my brother. I'm like, I live with another man here, and for weeks into le ibifile but engayilungisa. Why is that an example? Because I was involved in the fixing of things around the house to the point where it's ingrained in me ukuthi nxa ulento efuna ukulungiswa endlini bra lungisa. If there's a community thing happening, be a part of it. But it's not a lot of kids that grow up being involved, especially mina around my peers. I see it even nxa ukhuluma khona lokhu ukuthi embracing more of Western culture. Bra, sakhula labo masalu wethu thina sibukela uDays Leopold. So our male role models, Wongo Rich, labo Gothomba, John Black, those were our role models. Labo Arch. It was not the men around us because I don't know if I had that conversation with podcast lay. One of the reasons I started drinking, one of the reasons I experimented with cigarettes and whatever, was because the only time engangibona khona ukuthi maybe group playing ngakwana was when there was a party and there was alcohol. But everything else, most of the older guys were out there doing whatever they want. And this is what we're talking about. We are not saying it's all men. I think as men, sile public relations picture embi kakhulu ngoba abanengi, the actions of the men ruin it for the few. Yeah.
Do you know what's interesting? Ngithande kakhulu kwini. I-question engibuze kuqaliseni ukuthi ngesikhathi sithi be a man, vele siyabe sitting. And saletha into eqakatheke kakhulu so kanti ukuthi obaba babengekho. Anti babe sebenza ewenela anti. Siyananzela ukuthi khonkana babekwenza konkana. Ubaba wayesele ngale ekhaya wayetshela ukuthi be a man ukuthi suka la uye ngale. Kulabana ubaba labana anti. So lenanzela ukuthi impilo yendoda akula lapho kuthiwa right mawukhona so. Because ungahambe wenela be a man awukho emntwaneni wakho. Ungaba khona la ekhaya lo mntwana be a man hamba so indoda kanti be a man kumele mbe njani.
But that's what I'm getting at.
Kumele ngenzeni
sifundise. I think ukufundisana ikhe sikushodayo now, like you are saying. But we don't share a lot of good things sisodwa and with those men that are younger than us, that are following us. So kunye kusuka kulahle.
Maybe to pose a question, sister, Uti, as you touched a lot of things when you're defining a man, and Mina, when we're talking of men, we tend to focus mainly on body structure and behavior and all. Are we then saying, okay, fine, you're saying ubaba uyabekhona enganathi ekhipha imali and everything, but engekho most probably maybe engekho bedroom.
All right.
How do you deal with those kind of people? What exactly is a full package of
a man? Yeah.
Because sometimes you find I've provided shelter. I give you a car, I give you a house, and then all. But you.
Ngicela ukukhuluma lokho i-disclaimer ukuthi akula perfect man, akula perfect woman. Akula perfect woman, akula perfect man. Into ekhona though, equal yoking yami lawe. So I'm failing to get someone, a male version of me, the man whose rib I have. So when you get married to someone and you're unequally yoked, right? Vele kuzagejana, right? And then ukhulume ngomen, men oy perfect. Or lacking on one. You know the 80-20 rule, right? Do you guys know it? Let's. I'm so saying, please meta it. Please Google it. 80-20 rule. Right. So you might have 80% and kushoti 20 and 20 ngane i-bedroom kumbe ibuhle. Ubusuchi 80 lana ugijimela i-20 and usiso muhle uchi 80 lana eyakhayo eqoqayo. Right. The male child, the boy child, has been dealt a very bad hand. We agree. For the past 20 years, we've empowered the girl child and forgot the boy child. And the boy child also forgot himself. Now, going forward, when we look back 20 years later, ngifuna ukuthi sicabange ukuthi that day sihlezi popular, don't know how you pronounce it. We then sat and came up with solutions. Ukuthi umen lo esingamaziyo sonke ngoba the cup is empty. So the main cup is empty. We're trying to pour from an empty cup into someone else ole 0 years akulalutho. So as men, let's fill these cups. We're not going to help you fill these cups as women. Lathi sile kwethu. Wena ngokwakho butwam lawe ndlovu. Icup le ngeyakho. Ungayekela ukuyifila ndaba zakho. Uzele uzathela into engekho ebazukulwini to the 4th generation. Now, men get very defensive nxa kuvela kumama vele siyakwazi but ngiyakwazi liza ku internalize. Thina osisi ama-carpet langa la. Anti vele sakhuliswa ngogogo labo auntie liyabona le government yawe yas empower ngikho ngu-engineer wendege. And it's overflowing. Can it not overflow into your masculine cup? Because I'll make you into a woman. Or into your children, abangabobani, abangabafana. Ubaba, mina umntana from 0 to 5 ngiyamgcina. From 5 to 100 ngowakho baba. Now you are always unconscious. We're not against drinking. We're against drinking irresponsibly. And then lastly, sengikhulume kakhulu. Sengiqeda lapha. Sengifuna ukukhuluma labo sis o Miss Independent abanjengami. Abakholiso boy. Right. I know when alo baba ka boy alizwanani, alithandani, alifunani. But umfana lo, ubaba lo, umbe ngundlovu, umbe ngumoyo, umbe ngumofu. Umhambise kubo mofu, ayefunda ubumofu. Ngoba ungamgcina la kithi, sizamfundisa okwakithi okungahambelani laye. 1. 2. Umofu nxa engekho, esehambe wayeGoli wathatha umamba ongela abantwana. Basitshela but now I want single woman, no kids. Yeah. Dinga ukhulu. Dinga umalume. Amkhulisa uboy lo. Kule pandemic yabo boy abasebele 40 years. Bakhona basithwalisa enzima boy. E-UK ngale uyazwashela iphenti uzigesela imganu. Abantwana ukuthi badleni nguwe. Kodwa uboy waqanula izandla khuqu ngugogo. Khuqu ngumama cannot do basic things. They are not house chores. They are basic life skills. So asize silincedisa ukuthi zivuke izandla lezi. Cela liziqoqe lizivuse lodwa.
Well, interesting indeed. And for me, what's more interesting about this? And very, I will make sure to every
Now.
what you said. Right. What's more interesting about what has been said is before we started Uvulega Royan, we spoke more to Abomam, trying to find out ukuthi umuntu okuthiwa indoda kuyini. And most of the gettings, exactly what we're getting from Unkosi. Siyakwazi sonke, even wena unje so. Uyakwazi ukuthi indoda kumele ibe njani, Unkosi uyakwazi. Everyone else knows ukuthi indoda kumele ibe njani. But asikwazi. And even the people that think they know ukuthi indoda kumele ibe njani, abakwazi. Ungakhangela indoda kungani balomhlaba wabo bodwa ngani balapha swana ngani kule island sokuthiwa ihlala amadoda. then kulabantu ngapha nje. Then indoda kumele ibe khona laphana ku-island laphana ukwenza ukuthi i-island ingadili kanti. Ngapha futhi kumele abe khona futhi ngapha. And ngapha usurroundwe yi-society yama-spectators and ama-spectators lawana futhi ngama-commentators and ama-commentators lawana futhi alama-judgments and kuma-judgments futhi laphana nje kule template futhi lokuthi indoda kumele ibe nje so let's go back to around where we started. I said something ukuthi amadoda ekobulawayo esebenza.
Yeah.
Abantwana bebodwa nje, which is false. Abantwana babengekho bodwa. Amadoda ayikhona komba. But amadoda lawana mina, umbono wami, I'm not saying that's what was happening. I feel like amadoda lawana failed to do what they were supposed to do to those boys because kwakuthiwa kibo obani ngamadoda. You understand what I'm saying? So indoda, I appreciate.
All right.
Because kula madoda asele ekhaya. Kule ndoda le 37 years. Esebenza komonakhe koBulawayo. Le ndoda le 37 years. Esebenza ukwelusa inkomo ekhaya.
Yes.
Indoda leyana eseli yelusa inkomo, do you realize ukuthi iqhakatheke kakhulu ngokusala ekhaya lapha iselusa inkomo lapha?
True.
Le ndoda lena futhi le 37 years komonakhe. Iqhakatheke kakhulu ngoba komonakhe. Ngoba amadoda lawo wongu-2 singa-appreciate imisebenzi yawo wonke. Sivume ukuthi imisebenzi yonke le abayenzayo ngeyamadoda. It means umntwana lwana akasasalanga yedwa. Selenye indoda. But emadodeni lawa ikhona enye thina esesithi isiyehlulekile because ayifikanga komonakhe. And it's like you were saying, mfuna indoda that is going to match. And so we're talking about an engineer. So indoda
An aeronautical.
engineer. So sikhuluma ngendoda aeroplane.
Aeronautical engineer.
So if good thing unkosi ukhona la.
Right.
Asimbuzeni ukuthi indoda emechayo ngenjani.
For you.
Ametha mina. Okay.
Nangu
Ngicela ngikhulu nge-disclaimer. Lwana owasala ekhaya uyenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu. Bakhona osisi lawa basala ekhaya bebamba umuzi. You get it?
But we don't appreciate that
I
man.
know, and
Let's
we're very
be
sorry.
honest.
We don't.
Kufanana lo mntwana karesi olokhu ehlezi endlini.
Engasebenzi.
Obhuti bakhe bonke besebenza.
There's
Sithi
a goal.
uyehluleka umntwana lo.
True. And that's how brutal society is, unfortunately. And we're sorry as a mama. Anting lo mama la. Yithi lathe sila. Right. And then umuntu omecha unkosi. Funny story. In 2014, I went to a marriage seminar. Got to write down the list of the qualities that you need in a man. Ngabhala. Ngabhala ngaze ngathi want him to smell like fresh water. And ngabhala. So kwatha sihambe ngikhaya saphenduka the following evening. Kwasokuthiwa that list, go through it, become that list. So from 2014 to 2026, I've become that list. Every single thing on that list, tick, 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 tick. Let's just skills angikhona vele sanganisa mina ngazifundele St. James. Kodwa kungana I went to Harvard. Yeah, ngoba ngambhala ukuthi ngifuna umbhudo okwazi isikhiwo. So now my equal, who I want to yoke with, ngihlangana labo high value men. Anhlamba ngithi ngitshele sikhoma esimechayo. Yeah. Lapho engihamba khona o high value men ngihlangana labo, but high value leyo kuphela. Monetary value. But true high value, the superior men who I want to marry, who I want utantate, is high value here, high value here, and high value here. Ngoba mina, believe it or not, I look polished, but ngiyashayina isitopu. I can cook like Gordon Ramsay. I can bake. Ngiyawacha ngezandla. Right? So, ukuthi ngi-equal yokhe lo muntu ongawachi paint, indlu yami i-white. Awusoze kuhambe, guys. So, lami nxa ngihlangana lo bhuti ngimbona ukuthi la ngiyahle ngimtshele ngithi mina ngiyahlupha. Ngizakustress. It's me, it's not you. Right? So now we need to, this boy child, abe a holistic being. Uboy child kungathiwa uganyula inkuni, kulo munye wathi kagamula inkuni, his hands are soft. Imagine. Ngicela ubambe izandla zami. Soft.
I mean, I'm full.
Soft as wood.
Wathi khona yena kagamula inkuni ku soft. iZimbabwe ifuna ubaba ogamulayo. Confirm. Ngoba
But ngiyakonsiba le mali ukugamliza.
hayi ayitshoni khona imali singaqambelana amanga. Ayitshoni khona imali.
Mfana yamnika imali akagamula.
Especially eZimbabwe.
Maybe to interject.
Yes, sir. Please do.
I understand what you're looking for.
Alright.
And then I also understand the definition of men that you are thinking of right now. Like indoda uyibona about that indoda yindoda yami.
Bakhona kodwa.
Bakhona. Yes, bakhona. Let me say isikhona.
Nasi para for the sake of the podcast bakhona.
But now the another thing that I love is that you are not. I was thinking most probably you come in as a feminine fighter, like abafazi, you know. But you are in between. You admit where you guys are wrong, and where right now. What we
Phela zokuthi.
besibe Iran mode. Sibe sikumode ama-missiles. You see the jokes alokho abayenza ngeChina ukuthi lokumele ukuthi abakadlezi lutho. Yeah, but now the thing that we need to do collectively,
Yes.
as men, as women, we need to now start fighting the stereotyping
Perfect.
together.
Perfect.
Be the fathers and the mothers and the brothers that we are meant to be, and the sisters. Because what we are failing to do is to collectively
Fix the problem.
fix the problem.
True.
All we know is to blame each other. I don't know how best
Mina
we can
sengicabanga
have minds like us. Ngaba ngu-20 sibe nengqondo eyi-1. Believe me, you by 2030 sharp.
ngicela ukulinika idea how we can fix this. So mina I'm a feminist. Lapha ngiyabehave kuphela nje ngibonile impopo. But I do a lot of work with the girl child, especially in STEM. So I've been telling the girl child she can, she will, she shall. And then ngase ngilandwa ngama Girl Scouts USA. Bathi Nkosi, you are doing a lot of good work with the girls. Kodwa bazathathwa ngobani? Buyele emuva sis. Uqalise ku-Girl Scout lo Boy Scout. Liyakhumbula ama-brownie? Nama-Girl Guides.
Yes.
We're trying to... Hayi wena oli-scout uzaba la manga. Uzanyeba. So kuthiwe khona sivuselele ama-Girl Scouts lama-Boy Scouts e-Southern Africa yonke. Mina that's the other head that I wear. Ngingu-ambassador wakhonokho. Sengiqayise ukubulawa ngigijima ukuvuselela ama-Boy Scout lama-Girl Scout. I-funding ka-Girl Scout ikhona naturally. But ika-Boy Scout ayikho. Akuzange kungenzi ukuthi ngime. Ngithe alright, sizabancedisa ama-Boy Scout. I-challenge esengilayo nansi Ndlovu. Obaba ama-scout sembadinge ngabaswele.
Serious?
Sembadinge ngabaswela ngoba bala kuma-castle light.
Hayi abanye ma utshela bana.
Eh.
Bake bopapa bathi fire. Singasoli utshwala bodwa.
Yeah.
Wena bathi fire.
Fire.
Because ungakhangela umpapa nxa bengena babe belabo samandla so abangu-11 ababe bagombolozele so amasuthu belandela so beseyakuwa.
Fire njani ungasebenzanga?
Asepower constructive.
All right, guys. Ngicela ngiqedisa phela. So, fire or what? Fire or jwala onjani? The 21st century man is drunk. Is unconscious. And the only person who's conscious is the mother. Sesidiniwe guys. Sicela nisincedise. Sicela nisixhase. Leyo nto sihamba umama sathi kubuhlungu. Yikho sigcwele emabhawa. Sama ukukhupha istress. Ukuthi ngibe ngubaba, ngibe ngumama, ngicabangi vele by right umama akazange design ukusebenza. Mina deep down I want to be a housewife. But I can't be a housewife ngoba i-rent ngizabhadelwa ngubani.
Do you know, I always say this. The reason why we obtained independence
Yes.
as Africa,
As Zimbabwe or Africa.
as Africa or as Zimbabwe as a country.
Yes.
The reason why we obtained independence earlier than a lot of countries, it is because those people were fighting with the husbands of sober black women.
All right.
Now we are fighting as husbands of drunk black women.
I know.
And winning is gonna be hard. You understand? Because now it's sober, now it's drunk black men and women. At that time, it was a few black drunk men and a whole lot of black sober women.
All right.
So now we are failing because sonke
Si-drunk.
sidakiwe.
All right.
And sidakiwe asidakwa ngabutshwala kuphela.
Yeah,
Sidakwe yi-poverty.
exactly.
Sidakwe
Stress.
yi-depression. Like we are just
Or just zombies, or moving
Drunk.
zombies. Yeah.
and we are, I don't know, and we are not dead, but we're all drunk.
Yes. Abanye sidakwe yi-church.
Exactly.
All right. Mina maybe angela exposure neng anti ngikhulumile ukuthi anginathi. I don't drink. I've never drank even a glass of wine. I'm sober. Awubona skinless asophuza skin. So ngicene angikwazi okwenzakala after 6 ngabe sendlele endlini. But ngithanda ukubaxolisela sesilapha. Abanatha bebe unconscious. It's very unladylike. Umama vele onathi glass ye wine ayelala. Right. Umbunathele endlini ovele kanathi njengami. Anti lithe ngingablame utshwala. So mele siyenze root cause analysis la. Ukuthi okunathisa omama kangaka lokunathisa baba kangaka eZimbabwe kuyini.
But
Hayi anti siseZimbabwe.
but
Sikobulawayo.
but
And
now
this,
I'm
and then
wondering,
siku-solve.
I'm
Let's solve
wondering
it.
with the lavish and independent life that we're having now, ukuthi kuyini okunathisa abantu kangaka kulabantu ababenganathi utshwala bengavunyelwa ukuhamba ku-pavement. Those are the most depressed people, but it's a topic for another day.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga wethi ke mbingelele umfowethu eyighost namhla pro. How's it my guy?
Yeah, guys. Yeah, bengishiselwa lapha. This topic is very interesting.
I almost stood up and said, pro, come through. and the reason why I did this, because the coming episode, and I think kukhona asebe mvulele khona, like there's kulama findings amanengi engiwatholileyo ukuthi mina lawo on the next episode kuzamele sike sihlafune ngawo enza kubriefer. But well, ngingakudli kakhulu. What do you think, man?
Yeah, first of all, I would love to commend ama panelists akhona phambi kwethu lapha. You guys are doing an excellent job. Something that I actually was discussing with other people, ukuthi, you know, in many cases, we have had advocacies and everything to do with men being led by women and utata a certain direction. You understand? So, just to summarize what you guys have said, I would say, yabona, this issue of gender roles, specifically skangele eyabo baba, I feel like indlela okumele sikutackle ngakhona, we have to start from the root cause. I will use an example of ukuthi isihlahla se-orange sifika njani ukuze sibe li-orange. Sikhula sili-lemon, along the way sokusiba le-grafting yenzakala. Ingayenzakala i-grafting leyana bese kusiba yini? Bese kusiba li-orange. And so I feel like a boy child mayikhulu uyabe li-lemon. I understand. Uli lemon. Then along the way, so kusiba the failure of proper crafting. Akhulu umntwana continue kwini eli lemon. Then we ask ourselves umbuzo ukuthi who is that farmer? Who is that farmer of that tree? Esikhule yagcina yaba lemon. It's the society. Both men and women are responsible for what's happening with the boy child. Says complain ngamadoda. But the problem is emntwaneni ongumfana. So what we're saying, I'm loving ama-topics that I introduced le ukuthi, you know, we must engage men more. We must engage abantwana abancane abangabafana even more, as much as sikubona kusenzakala ngaphi emankazaneni. I think from that standpoint we would win. Instead of sihambe phezulu say attack ama-lemon, azenzanga ama-lemon, they were crafted wrongly. You understand? So I think ngihambelana the point oyikhulumileyo my sister ukuthi ukuvuselela ama-boy scouts. I think that's one thing that can actually help. Instead of demonizing men, you know, sometimes it's also good to just praise where you praise edingeka khona. Then we can start looking at problems thereafter. Because if we start demonizing first, you will lose men in the sense that already we're becoming defensive. You understand? But if we start on a normal ground, on a good grounding, it's easier to discuss uncomfortable questions. Yeah, bon? So I thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nkiwane. Mr. Nkiwane is a ghost today. Leroy is a ghost next episode. I promise. Right, my time is up, but I'll just give an allowance of 5 minutes and uproducer uzangikhama so and ngicela bakithi ngingaxotsha nxa ikhona omnyenza ama-podcast angiqhatshe impilo yami ise-reskin. Right, let's round up. Singavala ngokuthini. I'll just give sonke 1 minute and sengiworried because I need episode 2 tomorrow. Episode 3 I need it tomorrow. Unkosi yahlupha. Let's round up.
Ladies first.
Yeah.
Ngithanda ukukhuluma ngelemon, ukukhuluma le-lemon ela-grafta wrong. Siyaxolisa ngoku-grafta wrong. We're very sorry and we apologize. Now that ugrafte wrong, i-blame game ayisozisebenze. The world doesn't care and no one is coming. Wena lemon wagrafta wrong, xa kumele uye ku-therapy, hamba ku-therapy. Xa kumele uye ku-boxing, hamba ku-boxing, ukhuphe i-anger la. Xa kumele ubuyele gym, hamba gym. We need us to take ownership of where we are as human beings individually and change our lives sodwa. No one is coming. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to give you money except for Jesus. Yeah. Kodwa before we go to that side, ngiyabona. Uzabulokhu ubhitha ukuthi u-girl child uya-empower. No one is coming. Lami girl child ngingadlala. No one is coming. Yikho ngicina ngakho ukuthi no one is coming.
Yeah, it's a rough moment, bafethu. Akula nto kuthiwa umbenxe kuthiwa umbambe kuhle. No one is coming. Definitely. No one is coming, Mr. Ndlovu.
Mina I think kulezinto ezingu-3 engingaziletha. Okokuqala, you need to understand ukuthi kufanele wena uzikhokhele uyi-1. And ekuzikhokheleni kwakho, the other 2 are important things. Number 1, accept ukuthi everything you know up to now is going to be useless tomorrow. Which means, number 3, kumele uhlale ufunda. Yonke into iyafundwa. Finance iyafundwa. Emotional intelligence iyafundwa. Skills ziyafundwa. And in order for you to live a life ehambelana lawe, the first thing is appreciate that you have to lead yourself, understand who you are and what you want, and then use these other 2 pillars to get there.
Wow. Someone is coming. Finally. Someone is come already.
Yeah, so before I just say my closing remarks is there's a video that's going viral recently of a Nigerian man we're taking a South African girl to a hotel, and the guy, don't know if you guys saw it. Yeah. And then the girl was shouting, if give me $100, what. So what I'm saying generally is all we need to do is to be very careful of the people that we are nurturing. Ubaba Joshua Nkomo said, this country will not die. The youth will save it. As we look at ourselves, are we the youth that will save this country, or we are the youth that will lead this country to the drainage? Let's think about that.
Let's think about that. And after we've thought about it, let's drink about it as well. Mr. Kiwan, how do you close, my guy? From the shadows.
Guys, I think wonke umuntu sekhulumile something bebengafisa ukuyitsho. You know, at the end of the day, it's all about you as a person. Especially this goes to men. We are saying there's a narrative which is being pushed, there's an agenda which is being pushed, but it's all up to us to we decide what kind of a man do I want to be. That question that you posed, Mr. Masuku, is a very important one. You know, never let someone define what a man is. You have to do some soul searching. I'm sure within us we've got that spiritual awakening as people, as this is what a man is. This is what a man is supposed to be. Search for that and you will find the right answer, trust me.
Search inside you and you'll find the right answer, because definitely no one is coming. Well, it has been exciting. Ngizakhuluma lama-producer. Isikhathi siyaphangisa ukuphela. Isikhathi siyaphangisa ukuphela. Nyabe ngingakaqalisa unathi ikhoti yami yesi-2. Amanzi omthandazo ngona nathi 1. But well, we want to hear your comments, we want to hear your views, and also Tina asisoma experts, but singabantu abalesifiso sokubona ngumfana ephakama esiba ngumfana, umuntu eyindoda ephakama esiba indoda, because trust me, singaba lamadoda responsible, we'll have less cases of rape, less cases of gender based violence, less cases of abuse, and so on and so on. So usungakubona like ama-gents lawa azama ukulwela amadoda, but no, we're just trying to clean up. And thina sesinanzela ukuthi clean up yakhona iqalisela ekuhambeni emuntwini lwana okuthiwa kumele provide, kumele abe leader, kumele abe le shelter, and so on. So umuntu lwana thina singadila laye lwa uAdam, then we know ukuthi Eve vele kasoze axoxele nyoka, because uAdam ebe inaji lapha ezithi hayi kuthiwa umviyo singadli ngumdala. Umviyo vele ungawuthinti vele umviyo vele umdala uyathinga, umviyo vele singadli hambe kudla lapha ibanana. So this is the whole purpose of Vuleka, is just to make sure that we have these uncomfortable topics, singanisesondile, singanisesilo, and thina ngikona siqhubeka ngoVuleka sesivala amakamera, but sesivuleka manje karezi kwamashuashu unkosi sevuleka. Oh, I swear, if you come to my inbox ngizalitshela ukuthi uvuleke wathi. But well, it has been exciting and it has been amazing. Enkundleni exclusive, bringing you uVuleka podcast, proudly brought to you by Dep3 Events and High Popular Pub and Grill. Like I always say, for all your events, visit Dep3 Events. And for all your outings, you want to have parties, you are looking for a space where you can enjoy labangani bakho, birthdays, events, make sure you visit High Popular Pub and Grill. Mr. Kanye, are you ready for the roast?
I don't know how much of the truth that I can take in, but it's okay. It's okay. I am ready. I'm ready.
Yeah. So again, I'm going to be there, and Itime Amgavuleka is going to be there for a roast. Because most of the panelists are gents. So just after a roast, the following episode, then because we want to talk about everything that has to do with men. So, lawe nxa ulama topics akho, nxa ulezinto that you feel like we should be talking about, nxa ulama debates akho, nxa kukhona lapho esiphamanisa khona, we are not experts. Just highlight ku comment section and lathi sizabona ukuthi siresponda njani kumbe senza njani. It has been Enkundleni exclusive, proudly bringing you uvuleka ngilo Leroy, ngilo Nkosi, ngilo Pardon Kanye, and ngale emuva kachana ngilo Mr. Nkiwane and my crew behind the scenes. Tina si Step 3 Events, mina ngimele Enkundleni exclusive sithi salibona singalikhangela.
Wozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndaba esegudwini